What is up, guys? It is the greatest Wisco outdoorsman here, and today I have an absolutely amazing video to share with you guys. Now, I know that this is a couple weeks after that this has happened. What I'm talking about is Major League Fishing. Major League Fishing is a tournament style where you catch a ton of bass in a row, as many as you can, and it basically adds up your total weight all together. It's not your 5 biggest fish or anything. And I was super stoked about it coming to Neenah. It came to Neenah. I got to meet a ton of pros, and this is what I'm here to show and share with you today, is meeting one of these pros and just having the experience of an absolute lifetime. So what happened was the Major League Fishing people came into town on Friday or Saturday, it depended on what time they wanted to come on in, but most of them came in on Saturday. And then the next day was their first practice day, which was Sunday. So I went down to the boat docks where they were launching all from, and I went ahead and saw one of my favorite bass fishermen, Adrian Avena. And Adrian Avena, he's not hard to spot. He's got a big green bright boat with a huge truck, and we were seeing him working on his boat, and we just wanted to go on over and talk to him. And sure enough, he was working on his boat, and we looked at it, and he completely broke the propeller, the skeg. Basically his whole lower unit was shot, and so we were just kind of watching and walking around his boat and stuff, and I decided to go ahead and take a live video of what was all happening. A little bit later on in it, we actually got to help out with fixing the boat and putting the lower unit on and taking the lower unit off, so that was super cool. So that is what this video is. It is helping fix Adrian Avena's boat. It was, again, an experience once in a lifetime. I would like to mention, in this video, yes, we did talk to him a little bit about bass fishing. I did not know that the rules, I knew that the rules were that you couldn't talk to him or any of the anglers about bass fishing. So when we were talking with him, I mentioned Oshkosh, and if anyone's watching out here that wants to report like Adrian Avena to Major League officials or anything like that for talking to people about bass fishing, 100% we were not trying to do that. It was a very windy day, and as you can see from the audio in this clip, it's horrible audio because it was a super windy day, and not a whole lot of the anglers were out there even on the water and stuff, and so we were just trying to tell him where there was calmer waters that he could try fishing in calmer water for the day, because they only have a day and a half of practice. So if it comes off that I was trying to go ahead and say this is where you should go and stuff like that, it's not what I meant to do. I just meant to say, hey, there's calmer water. And he even knew what was going on. He's like, hey, shut up, just don't say anything. I don't want to get in trouble or anything. But I did make sure with Adrian that I could share this video, so he's all cool with it. Just an absolute great experience. I keep talking way too much in these intros, so let's go ahead and get to the action. The only reason that it's kind of choppy is because I tried to record it off of my phone through little recording on your screen, and it wouldn't let me record the full 30 minutes of the clip. So it's a little bit choppy, but everything is completely raw, and it's just all over really a good video. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Because then they'd give out like other pointers to other people and stuff.
Sorry about that. No, you're good.
It's kind of it's the inaugural year. So
with him screwing around talking about them walleye, like I don't give a shit about that. Gotcha.
Well, yeah, if you want to go catch walleye, there's good eaters out there.
I don't know if I got the right one here. Hey Brody. Yeah. You got a ratchet set?
Adrian.
It's on the side of his boat.
That's a good smart. Good job.
What's that?
Your last name is hard to spell, so I was trying to spell it correctly. My bad. How do you pronounce it, by the way?
Avena.
A what?
Avena.
Avena. Okay, so I was saying it correctly.
No, we don't have any of the rest.
Oh. Your jacket flew off where you want it.
Yeah, you just throw it. See the problem? do you think that is? That's too big?
Get the carnage. Darn Winnebago.
Winnebago got me, bro. That one.
Where'd you like wreck this though? Like what part of the lake did you wreck it on?
Place I promised there was no bass at.
I've never seen someone like just straight up fix their.
I don't know how I gotten like scared good at guessing sizes. I used to be the like worst ever at guessing sizes. I'm like, oh no, it's gonna be.
They're all in there, and then.
My grandpa could do it. You can just feel it, tell you what it is.
Hey, what time is it?
I can't believe how freaking early it gets light around here and how late it.
Oh yeah, it's light at 5 o'clock in the morning and
That other day,
9 or
I mean, like,
9
we're
o'clock
allowed
at
to
night.
fish all the time.
Aren't you guys allowed to get out here 30 minutes before?
Yeah, and we can technically fish at like 9, 10.
Jeepers.
So if I get this
Yeah, I
thing
guess.
fixed.
That day I was telling you about, we were on the water 4:30 in the morning, starting to get daylight. We didn't come off until 10.
When do you think Wheeler's coming off?
Normally.
He'll fish till when?
Probably 9 o'clock.
Oh jeez.
Looks like there's another guy coming in. Oh no, that's a sailboat.
Well,
I just saw a
Go
boat
about
hit
30
the.
mile an hour right now.
yeah, you guys came on a really, really crappy week. We apologize for the stupid weather.
Yeah,
I mean, we seriously,
Last
we
week was
haven't had a
beautiful.
good, well no, we haven't had a really good summer week yet.
No, not a full week. We've got a couple days in a row. Like,
Couple days in a row and
Can
then
you
it's,
do me a favor? Can you
Yeah.
just push up on this? 250 or 300? What's that?
250.
250 or
250.
Oh, really? What's that? It's just how it's.
So Wheeler will probably get off at like 9-ish.
What's that?
Just trying to see if Wheeler could sign one more thing. I forgot I had a magazine at home with him.
Oh, yeah, you do.
My gosh, first we got to hold the Stage 8 trophy. Now we're sitting here. But with your screwed up boat, man.
This jacked up boat. Oh, heck. Part of it. Sucks.
You know where you can get another one or something, or?
Yeah, I got one in my truck.
All right. Oh, always carry a backup. Always carry a backup for.
I wouldn't be taking this apart if I didn't have a backup. It still works, I just can't get on pads.
What about the bottom piece down there, like that got chipped off?
Oh yeah, that's like a jacked
So you need to replace the entire lower unit then?
yeah.
We got one person watching the live. I'll tell you, you're not very hard to miss. Got the greenest boat out here.
Hey, can you give me a hand again real quick? Just get it. Just try to take a little pressure off. You don't need to lift it up all the way. Just enough. Getting you to work, man.
So did you hear like a big like thud or something when you hit the?
Shoot, man. Yeah, it was good.
shots and all of his GoPro stuff. And
Yeah.
that's not big as well.
That's awesome.
I know he was at the dam yesterday doing some filming. It's pretty good because I was down there fishing, and right after he had left, he had just pulled out in a pretty bad car accident, right? Yeah.
If you guys want to go,
And then he crashed. Loud boom walk up there. There's an Audi sitting there with the whole passenger side just blown out.
if you guys want to go catch walleye, good place is Menasha Dam late at night when 2 gates are open.
Right now it's
2 or 3. I think it's 3 right now, so it should be pretty good. You go down, there's like a little pavilion down at the down towards the walkway. If you go over a bridge, go right over there, you'll catch a ton of walleye. Well, there goes that. How heavy was that?
It's got some weight to it.
Probably 40, 60 pounds.
Heavier than the trophy or no?
No. Actually, no. The
The
trophy.
trophy is pretty.
We just got to hold it, so.
No, that's heavier than the trophy, I'd say.
We just got to take a look in this boat. Jeepers creepers. Got the backup ready to go. I gotta ask, how much was the boat?
This?
Yeah.
Free.
Probably free.
We paid for it. We could give him a discount.
But how much does a boat like this usually run? 50, 60?
Yeah, probably like mid-60s, I'd say, brand new. Yep,
Need some help?
yeah, probably.
Yeah. Where do you want me to grab?
All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna help guide it.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna get ahead and I'm gonna put one in, kind of help it keep it up there. But there's no one on this right now.
It's all good. I'm just honestly filming it just so that way I can
Go back and watch it later.
go back, watch it later, and download it and throw it up on my channel. Just when else do you get to help fix a pro's boat?
Yeah.
Jacked up.
I just love how you have one of these lying around in your truck. I mean, obviously for a good reason, but...
There's not a lot of Suzuki dealers, a lot of places Suzuki just kind of got.
Oh, that's true. That's a good point.
There's another one in that box. It's brand new. I was gonna sell it, but now.
You're
like, yeah, I
the
might need
backup
that.
for the backup is just now the backup.
Yeah, now I need.
I wouldn't suggest wrecking your boat twice. Wouldn't go back over there either.
No, we're not cutting that flat again.
How shallow were you?
I mean, pretty shallow. Shallow enough.
A foot and a half, 2 feet, maybe probably less than
Oh
that.
my gosh, that's a...
How about a foot?
All right, you can almost let it go.
That's all good. Ridiculous. These past 2 days have just been...
You're in your head, aren't you?
Huh?
You're in heaven,
Oh
aren't
my god, last night, all you guys walked out of that meeting. I was talking to Randall Tharp's wife and said you guys were on the
Oh, you
meeting.
did.
Alright. Thank you. Yeah, so I was just talking to the wife and then all you guys popped out and got to meet Wheeler in DC, and I had like little ding bells for them.
you? Yeah, no, I've seen that.
So then Wheeler threw it on his Instagram, and so did DC. So that was pretty cool. And I was like shaking last night, and just got to go over and like we were looking at the cameraman and let us hold the Stage 8 trophy, and Now we're helping you fix a boat. It's like...
I actually came down here to try and catch bluegills because I'm catfishing tonight.
Are you live line them?
Yeah, one of my buddies, he's the one that does a lot of it, so it's like, I'm just kind of going along. I normally just put a huge chunk of crawlers on a hook and let it sink the bottom of the bait. He got a whole musky setup and everything for it. Tweaks them all through. I just changed
How big are the catfish?
about a 35 incher last night.
Where were you catching those?
Under the dam.
At Menasha?
Yeah, you caught it last night under the dam.
Jeepers. Man, the only thing I get out of there is freshwater drums.
Yeah, I get a lot
And
of sheephead.
an occasional black goby.
I caught a 12-pound not catfish, sheephead out of there 2 years ago.
A 12-pound, oh my
12-pound
goodness.
sheephead.
Freshwater drum, sheephead, same thing. Not like the sheephead you're going to see down in like Florida or anything.
I caught a bunch of them.
Sheephead?
So did you hook up on any walleyes today?
I caught one.
Caught one?
Yeah.
Did you keep it?
Heck yeah, it's in my live. We're gonna eat them.
Is it a nice one?
I called up Mark as soon as I called. I said, man, we're eating good tonight. No, I only caught one, man. It's
Holy crap!
Yeah.
Jeepers.
I think that was 2 years ago I caught that one.
What's that?
That sheephead.
That's been good.
Hey, we were catfishing, and my buddy netted it, and he's like, hey, it's a sheephead. I thought he was joking. I get up there, put my headlamp on, sure enough, sheephead.
How big was your walleye that you got?
Like 20 inches.
20 inches?
That's
All
a
right.
nice one.
I was flipping a jig on dock piling, and it starts walking off, and I was debating on shaking it off, and my ass threw it, and I set the hook, and it's a damn walleye. Unbelievable.
You're going to catch a good amount of those out there.
I was hoping I was. Like I said, I only caught that one.
Good news is you at least get to keep it at Neenah then.
And Mark brought his deep fryer and everything. I don't even want to go back out there. It's so shitty.
It is. It's. I can't believe why people are still out there. The only good part would probably be like back in the channels in Oshkosh, but it's
calm spots would probably be there.
there's literally nothing right now. Straight up wind.
Weather these next couple days.
It has calmed down a little bit.
Yeah. We're also not right up next to the...
Yeah, we got that tree line protecting us.
Yeah. Well, thank you for letting us help. And
Oh, dude, no problem.
So I got a dude coming from like an hour away to come weld his trailer.
oh, is that what Wheeler was asking on his story?
That's what I asked him.
Or yeah. What does he need a welder for?
The part that holds the roller, you know, like that makes a little L-shaped thing.
Yeah.
This side got bent up, and then on the way here, this side broke off, so it's like the ball's like barely hanging on it.
Oh no.
Right to put the boat back on it, 'cause it might just like slip off the side.
Yeah.
That's all it already got is a little bit.
The carnage. So what are you gonna do with the prop and stuff now?
Probably gonna try to send that out and try to get it fixed.
Darn, I was gonna ask for it. Couldn't hurt to ask, you know.
Try.
I was gonna ask for it, but hey, yeah, definitely go
What's
get that fixed. I was gonna ask for it just cause,
Oh,
but yeah, no, definitely go get that.
as a souvenir.
Yeah, that'd be like the freaking coolest souvenir ever. Man, what's the worst?
Hang out in your house and your orders
Yeah, what's that problem for?
You know, Adrian's boat got jacked up on Winnebago.
Back in the day.
Yeah. Got into a mean fight with a catfish.
Hopefully it works. I know.
And you have a prop and everything for it too?
Yeah.
Well, if he didn't, he'd be.
Make it a little tricky.
That prop, man. No, I don't think it's
This is when you really know your boat, like when you have to do this and
When you live in it, pretty much.
yeah. Have you ever had to do this ever? Like,
Yeah.
I've had to do a lot too.
Yeah, this is like a regular thing with Jacob and I.
Jacob wreck it a lot.
Most guys won't do it. Like, most guys won't do it themselves.
But the question is, why were you in 2 foot of water? That
I didn't know where I was going. I'm lost, man. We'll see map into that little rock pile.
need to get a better fish finder there.
They sure you owe me a prop.
Looks quite the setup there with the monitors.
Dual monitor.
Doesn't help.
Yeah, when you wreck your boat. This one looks pretty banged up too.
Oh yeah, this one's been through war.
How many have you gone through this year already?
This is just too crazy. So we got Brody, is Wheeler's cameraman. What's your name, by the way? I'm sorry.
Miles.
Miles.
What's yours? Trevor?
Yeah. Got Miles here fixing a boat, and apparently Miles' friend is coming over. My goodness. Not how I expected my day to go.
Yeah, like I said, I came down here to catch bluegills. Next thing you know, it's like
You want to go
Punch in
catch?
the gut.
You want to go catch like bluegills? Go to Prairie Hill Park. You'll catch
Where's that
100. It's out by the mall, Fox River Mall, off 41 on Northland.
what's going on?
How's it feel hanging out with the big guns?
Dude, we just fixed his motor.
We
here.
literally just put the whole lower unit together.
What happened to the old one?
He hit a rock in 2 feet of water.
Find a reef?
Apparently, or the reef found him. Good as new. Close.
Should get seated on that a little further.
Well, now he knows not to go back in that spot, so it's all good.
Oh no, it looked fishy, man. I might have to go back.
We'll be back out here for you tomorrow. We'll help you out again. Just go on like Amazon. You can find a prop on there, right?
Good old one-day shipping.
Yeah. Amazon Prime.
I thought that was a football.
You might want to invest in a hammer in your arsenal for
I got one.
tools. All right. Why not whack it with a wrench?
I don't know out there.
What's that?
One of the guys.
What was his name? Shoot.
Oh, he's waiting on someone to come get him.
Oh,
I was about to say, I'm like, his boat ain't, or his.
Looks like Mark Rose.
there's two of them.
Who's sponsored by Lucas?
I think that'd probably be Rose, isn't it?
I don't know. I had it on the MLF app just a couple minutes ago.
Guys that just dropped the phone, this has been sitting there.
Well, Scotty or whatever, the guy with the Yamaha, he already pulled out.
Yeah.
Riggin? Stroggin. Yeah, that's what it was. With an Iggins or Oggins or.
You guys have to land out of like this landing?
No,
Or,
there you
Oh,
see,
you
I
can go
told
wherever you
you.
want.
Yeah.
Well, what about for
For the
like
tournament?
tournament days?
Well, I mean, we're gonna go wherever we got fit. Probably here. I mean, I guess we're going out of here.
That's what I heard. Like, I know on practice days, I heard that you guys can go wherever you want to launch out of, but
Technically, they can launch wherever during tournament days too. They just gotta go back to, or go to wherever takeoff's at.
gotcha.
I think that's his boat right there, the white. That's probably Mark's
Well, with an MLF sticker on the back, it's not hard to miss. Is he not sponsored by a whole lot of people?
A lot of them don't use Rose, but they don't have to.
Oh, okay.
Or he might, but that might be like, it just depends. Like, that might say like he might have like a trailer or something.
Yeah.
Sell a trailer too, so they have like 2 trucks.
Gotcha.
Filming with that.
Yeah, a lot of guys on the ground.
Moment of truth.
Do you want to put your oil in everything? Your lube? What's that? Do you want to put your lube or oil in that one?
Piece of what?
No. No, we can't. I keep forgetting we can't talk about this stuff.
Yeah, you can't talk about no bass fishing for these guys.
I keep forgetting we can't talk about that stuff.
You know. No, I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah,
That's just how you got to play it off.
And that's
This is Adrian Avena. That's Russ Lanes over there.
Can't talk about any of that stuff right now.
You can't talk about where they're catching fish at. You can talk about where they're catching walleye at. He's got a 20-inch walleye in his live well right now.
dude
He said he hooked up on it, and
is looking good.
Really?
Flatheads.
I need to ask my dad if I can run out there.
you missed it by 20 minutes. We held the CJ trophy.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool though.
I still can't believe we. Like, I know we didn't do like much of anything, but
Just pretty much all the looking on the big dog. So then, what are you doing with that one then?
he said he's sending it in, man. I already asked for the
Where
souvenir.
do you go with it? Just throw it in the back of the truck again?
Yeah, for now, and then try to get it fixed for somebody. Damn, I'm gonna put this in an ant now. Holy shit.
Looking at the shear pin out.
There, that's gone.
Oh
There
yeah,
you
I
can
can see that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in for the other one.
What, do you know what you hit or no?
Oh,
A rock?
solid.
I don't know what it
A
was.
big old bass. That's it.
Longer than the prop.
A big old bass. That's what he hit.
So I made it.
20-pounder.
Yeah, okay, out of here.
All right, we're bringing a rock to fix the propeller. The thing that broke it. Of course, makes all the sense.
Did he must have came in from this side, because
No,
I
he
know when I
didn't.
humped it
No.
out here, dude,
No, he didn't.
I can wade up this side to get to the island or right there.
No, he did. He's all over like, man. He's like, he tried to come in and he's like, couldn't even get it up on site. He's like, yeah, something's wrong.
You say it like lighthouse or something, dude.
Let's just tighten it down then.
Huh. Would not have guessed that's how you would have done that.
You don't see 2x4s these.
There you go. A little bit more. Just a little bit.
Well, when he broke the propeller on a rock, I was kind of a little worried why you're bringing over a rock.
Piece of wood.
You're not going to find a 2x4 out in the parking lot of a boat launch.
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
You can find
You'd be
weird
surprised
stuff,
that
but
you found a couple 2x4s out in.
People leave like there's people use 2x4, they'll kind of like chalk.
Oh, okay.
You never know, you can find around a boat ramp.
Have you seen him yesterday?
yeah, big wheeler. No, not that one. No, we can't do that yet.
Alright. What a good run, bro. Look at that.
I know.
How long
I'm
did
gonna
it take you guys to get all the sponsors?
All I know is I took about an 8-hour shower today out there. Every time you turn the damn boat, you get something big more. Ah, damn.
Hey, what's the time? 4:50. 4:50.
We gotta get
I got down here, I started talking with the firefighters and the cameraman, and I was like listening to all the guys. A couple of the guys came in. I started talking with them. I was like, no, you're here. Oh, did you know Kate on the grad party today? Yeah, I was on that. Yeah.
What's up, man?
Where did you hit? Huh?
Oh, shit, I don't know.
Rock, I guess.
Oh.
I sold it to him.
Did you see his dad?
Yeah, his dad was there. I was like,
You know his dad is Vic Ferrari? He was a trumpet player for Vic Ferrari. Yeah.
no way. No, dude, because I was like going through and I was like, there was like a sheet thing over the thing, and I like went to go grab that to just put my hand on, move it, and it slid over. I was like, oh, grad party. I was like, congrats, Alex. And I was like, yeah, we got a grad party.
I love how much this windshield is going to help him out.
So that's all we need on my boat.
That's
That way,
it?
'cause I can just turn it and get it from the front side.
He's going to get crushed.
It makes the -1 look small.
I think you're throwing that here.
That's a big crankbait.
That is huge.
I can't believe that guy was trying to say it was water clean.
Who told you? Yeah, this is for me.
This is freaking nuts. In the winter and spring it is, but
Right now it is, dude. You get here like August, and the visibility here is like
That's what I
2
was-
inches.
That's when I was here
mean,
last 10 years ago.
Bro, I can assure you.
Yeah, didn't you fished with, or you didn't fish with Wheeler, but you fished in the Winnebago tournament.
I fished with
Wait, you fished with him?
Yeah, I was the younger age group champion. He was the older age group champion.
Oh, okay.
So we fished with the Indiana adult state champion.
Gotcha.
And I lost by an ounce, and he won by an ounce. But that
Oh.
was we both threw back and fish all day long. We both kept a small one at the end.
Yeah.
And then I got beat by an ounce. We won by an ounce.
Did you fill your limit of 5 or?
Yeah, I got beat by a kid who lives here. Only caught 4 fish all day long. He didn't throw back any of them.
That's just bad luck. Oh, let's see if he runs, man. Yeah. Somewhere.
Yeah, I already asked if I could ride along with Wheeler. It's a big old no.
Alright, guys. Yeah, I think it's see if it runs.
No, I'm following this.
I want to set up like that.
well, I'm not the only one who says that.
hit something.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More MLF content will be coming out this week. Be on the lookout for tomorrow's video. And all I can give you guys for a hint is ding. See you guys on the next one. Greatest Wisco Outdoorsman signing out.